all, I really want to thank Diane from the NRC, who truly had the best interests of the health of the public at heart when she asked the management to turn up the air conditioning in here, which is a proper use of energy.
Well, hold on a second. You keep opening the doors.
Yeah, please keep those doors closed.
And you let the air condition out.
Yeah,
you keep closing it. And you keep opening it.
Please keep those doors closed.
She's
That's
going to get
true.
space. But you got to keep the doors closed. If you don't, the air is running out of the building.
But now it is becoming more comfortable in here, and we want people to be able to stay for the duration of the meeting, and that is keeping the health and safety of the public in mind. So I've been coming to these meetings for about 10 years now, and words are not really enough right now, so I'm going to do something else. We don't want to hear it. We don't want to ever hear it. We don't have to hear it. We can't prevent natural disasters. We can't prevent tsunamis and hurricanes and volcanoes and whatever else might happen. But we can prevent an accident from a nuclear reactor.
Thank you.